Sony XBR 49X900F 49-inch 4K Smart TV. Even if you have a small room, there's no need to sacrifice on quality. For smaller viewing spaces, one of the best Sony options is the X900F 49-inch 4K Smart LED TV. It packs a huge punch of smaller model and won't overwhelm your apartment or family room. The TV uses Sony's HDR X1 Extreme processor, extended dynamic range, and X-motion clarity, which are responsible for the X900F's impressive contrast and color saturation, plus its low blur rate during action shots. The sound quality is just as strong as the picture, thanks to the inclusion of IMAX Enhanced audio designed to replicate the immersive IMAX theater experience in your home. It's not overbearing, it creates a perfect surround sound system. As with most new Sony TVs, you can also enjoy the convenience of Android TV and Google Assistant. One last tip. Consider where in your home you'll be placing your TV, as viewing ability can be altered if you're watching from an angle. Otherwise, we recommend it highly. For more details and buying guide, please visit the link given on the description below.